Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are focusing on a critical regulation for any medical device manufacturer operating in or exporting to Mexico. The official Mexican standard, NOM-241-SSA1-2021. This standard outlines the mandatory good manufacturing practices, or GMP, for medical devices. Published in Mexico's Official Gazette of the Federation on December 29, 2021, it became fully effective in June 2022, replacing its 2012 predecessor and significantly raising the bar for quality and safety compliance in the country. The scope of NOM-241 is comprehensive, covering the entire life cycle of a medical device. This includes the design, development, manufacturing, labeling, packaging, storage, installation, and distribution of all medical devices sold in Mexico. It applies to all facilities involved in these activities, whether they are located within Mexico or abroad. The regulation's primary goal is to ensure that medical devices are consistently produced and controlled to meet quality standards appropriate for their intended use. A central requirement of NOM-241 is the implementation of a robust quality management system, or QMS. This system must be fully documented and must integrate risk management principles throughout the device's lifecycle. Manufacturers are required to maintain detailed records, including a device master record, which contains all the specifications for the device, and a device history record for each batch, which demonstrates that the device was manufactured in accordance with the master record. The standard also sets forth stringent requirements for personnel, facility controls, equipment, and production process controls. For many global manufacturers, a key aspect of this standard is its close harmonization with the international standard ISO 13485-2016. This alignment is advantageous as a QMS already certified to ISO 13485 provides a strong foundation for complying with NOM-241. However, it is crucial to understand that simply having an ISO 13485 certification is not sufficient for compliance. Manufacturers must specifically address all clauses within NOM-241 and be prepared to demonstrate this compliance during inspections by Mexico's regulatory authority, COFEPRIS. This includes ensuring that all documentation and procedures explicitly meet the requirements laid out in the Mexican standard. Navigating regulations like NOM-241 is essential for success in the Mexican market. If your company needs assistance with global market access in Mexico or over 30 other countries, we invite you to check out Pure Global. In the description, you will find links to our free AI tools and our extensive regulatory database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.